Guys, okay, so I want to go ahead and show you what loofah seeds look like. So this is what they look like, and what happens when you actually will go ahead and plant these is that they will begin to go ahead and start growing like so. This one here is kind of at the beginning stages of growth, and then as it continues to grow, this one here is actually going to turn into this. So you'll have these kind of like these rougher little leaves on the top. It will go ahead and actually grow about 20 feet in length, and they are wonderful for growing loofahs, which is what this guy is. And this is basically what you can go ahead and use to scrub your body, your tubs, any kind of hard surfaces. They're fantastic for cleaning items around your house. So on the inside, as it dries out, you will find seeds, and that's where all of these guys come from. So just wanted to go ahead and show you kind of what these seeds look like, and then of course what happens when they actually begin to grow. And that's it. Guys, have a great day. My name is Paula. Thanks for watching.